What's the meaning of color guard? Color guard. Color guard.
Color guard. Color guard. Color guard refers to a group of individuals who carry and present flags during formal ceremonies and events, such as parades, memorials, and sports games. The flags presented can include the national flag, state or provincial flags, organizational flags, or flags representing specific themes or causes. Color guards are often seen as an important symbol of patriotism, respect, and honor. They typically consist of trained personnel who perform complex routines to the beat of marching music. Overall, color guards play an important role in adding a sense of dignity and pride to a wide variety of public gatherings.